Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to run from command line. I already created a Postman collection here. Then for here I have created get API and post API. Inside this is a folder I have created Postman script, and inside I have created two requests. Two requests are available. I will just open. So here I already opened. So so here in the test script I have added the some scripts. Okay, these are the scripts I have added. Let me send this request. Here test result is it is showing like six tests are passed. So this is code written over here. So for the similarly I have single user as well for the API request. Let me send this request. So here 5 test script are passed. So verify the status code, status text, response time, and text content type is present, and test name. So these are the request test script are added in the test tab. Let me in the post API. So here also added for some of the code for here. Let me send this request. So here I added for the 4 test results. So it is showing like 4 tests are working fine. So to here every time we are sending request and then we are seeing the test results here. To avoiding that, so what I did is, so here it is showing like, so just click on the 3 dots. You will be finding the run collection. I will be going to run this collection. So here for order wise, like to run order, so we have a get list list user and single user and create users. So here I'll be giving iteration 1, and I'm not giving any delay for that. I'm not adding any data files over here. Just what I will be going to do is just run this script. So here I got the success result over here. To let me view the result, so here I got the, in the first iteration I have given the iteration 1. So first API list user. So these are the pass for the I added whatever the script over here. This all got passed over here. Let me open to the go to the single user API. So this is the this is a get method, this URL of that request, and it 200 status code and status text, time and size of the JSON. So here also we got all passed. Let me go to the post API. So here also we got all the the status text status code is 201 and created, and the time response time, and this all are the run. So this is one way to run the API collection in Postman. So similarly you can export the result. So yeah, this is one way. I'll be going to show you one more option as well. I'll be going to show you in the command line how to we run this one. So just right click on this script, whatever you have created the collection, just right click on it and you will find the export. So here I once export the collection, so it will be defaultly it will ask collection v2.1 recommended, so just export it. So I'll be going to in documents. So I already created test script. here I create a test folder. You can take it new folder or anything is fine. So here I created test script and then inside I already exported. Let me say one more time. So it is like asking like, do you want to replace it? Yes. The collection, your collection was exported successfully. Okay. For before that, let me, I'll show you that. This is I exported. This is my collection. Okay. For that, let me, I will show you one more option as well. So for the before that, while run this collection, we need to have a Node.js to install the Node.js. Let me show you that. So go to the Google, then you have to type the Node.js. So once you have to open this web main screen. So here you will find the Node.js. For Windows, I am using the. So if you are using the 32 bit, so that you can use the 32. 64 bit I am using, so that because I already installed. Okay. Once it is installing, once installation done, just go to the command prompt. So I'm just selecting the. So node once installing the Node.js, just type npm -v. So here that node is installed 6.14.10. Similarly, we can type node -v. Yeah, this is also similarly node is installed. So here for that this is once Node.js is installed. Let me go to the Newman. So you have to click on you have to type the Newman in the Google. So you will find the option as npm I install. Let me, I'll show you. We need to install Newman to run the. So let me copy this one. So npm install -g, then Newman. So in my case I already installed. To run the collection, we need to do a setup. We need to install first Node.js, then we have to install Newman. It is started for installing. Here it is got all the libraries got installed over here. So let me close this. So once installation is done, so let me go to the Newman HTML report as well. So once Node.js is installed, we need to identify the path. So we have to go to the users. Then after users, we have to go to app data, then roaming and npm and node modules. So inside node modules, we find the Newman. So node modules. Then we are getting the Newman. So we have node modules. So this is a path where we have to find the Node.js is installed. So once Newman is installed, also we get to know that Newman is installed. So let me go to the So once let me open the folder where so this is my test script I just added over here. Go to type the cmd over here. Okay, just dir directory. So here this is my JSON file. Okay, let me Newman run and then add the right JSON file name. JSON file name is I have given this one. Just run this one. So I am just running the collection file. So which contains two get request and one post. So yeah, this is a Newman run report. So here I have a list user and this is for the get postman. This is a folder I added folder. That folder name inside I have given the API request for get method. So these are all are the script written the test script for list users. So it is got successfully had run and similarly we have a single user. So this is the URL and then I got the 200 status code and text and response time and then the size of the JSON file. These all are the script had run. Let me open other so for these are my post create user API. So these are the scripts that got over. So here I have given the iteration is 1 and so test script I had it for assertion is 15. So this is one way to run the using the command line to run the Newman. So what I will do, I'll just to run this script. Let me I'll show you for HTML report. To run the HTML report, we need to install the npm install Newman reporter HTML. We need to install this one because I already installed this one. Let me show you. Npm install -g Newman. Okay, once you need to enter npm install -g Newman reporter.html. So we need to run the if we get the HTML report, we need to install the HTML Newman reporter hyphen HTML. So it is got installed, and for me it is coming updated. So to run the same collection, so I will be open this one. So here I will be going to add Newman, that collection name I have added over here. Then I am giving the reporter HTML and reporter HTML export agent 3. I will add 4. So let me copy this. So here my test script, it is already 3 is there. I will be going to run for 4. Here I am just adding for the 4 agent 4. Just I am giving the name of that. So let me run this. Yeah, it is got exported in the whatever I have created the folder, it was got exported. So this is the agent for this folder name I have given. So let me open in the this is a HTML report. Here I Newman report. Here this is a collection name. I have whatever I given the collection name, that will show, and time exported with. So here the first iteration I have given. So total I have 3 requests. There is no pre-request script, and test script for I added for 3. Assertion I added overall 15. So this is a HTML report. Here there is no failures, and so see here, and I have a Postman script. So this list user, it total took for the mean time for request, it total took this much, and these all are the scripts added over here. So method and single user, similarly this is also whatever I added for the script, and the pass count, there is no fail. So this is the way to run our script. In next video I will be going to show you for how to generate the advanced report. Yeah, this is one way to show the HTML report. I am kindly requesting you to subscribe this channel. Soon I will be going to add one more videos for how to generate the using the HTML extra report in the next video. Thank you.